Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, or if you're new, if you just found my channel based on this video title, I know it's a lot different than the stuff I usually upload, but I know it's going to be really helpful and I'm excited to talk to you guys about it. I'm really glad you found me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Every single one of you guys count, and I cannot tell you enough how much I appreciate all the support I've gotten so far. I will also say, on an irrelevant note to this video topic, that I will be starting to upload more consistently, more like schedule-based, if you will. I'm not going to make any promises because my life is just kind of all over the place, you know. But I'm going to do my best and keep working to give you guys useful content. I don't know about you, but me as a human being cannot, it just doesn't compute when it comes to math. It just, numbers don't work for me. Math, I can't. I just can't. All right? But I admit to it. That's the difference. I'm not like getting upset because I'm an idiot and don't know how to figure out math problems. Like, I'm assuming, and I didn't notice this until I was a lot older, and bear with me if you catch me doing it on this video, but when I look at a number and I go to copy it down or I'm reading it in my head, I'm probably going to be dyslexic. It's usually only with numbers, or if I'm reading a paragraph, like I'll skip over a sentence or something, but it's really numbers that get me, and I'll switch them up, I'll write them backwards, I'll write them sideways. So I'm not great with numbers, and I'm guessing that's why I've struggled with math through my whole life. Never been diagnosed as dyslexic, and it hasn't like interfered with my daily life, but that's because I don't use math on a daily basis. However, nobody will know this because I've never mentioned this on my channel before, that I was enrolled in an interior design program. I was earning my bachelor's degree. I was halfway through, a little over halfway, and my school closed. And unfortunately, I wasn't even eligible for loan forgiveness. So I have all this student loan debt now, and I can't even finish earning that degree because I live in a crappy, boring state. So yeah. But interior design is my dream. It's my passion. I love it. I love drafting. I love drawing interiors. But unfortunately, it's not something you can do unless you're certified. So I needed to go through the program. I did it. I was doing it. And I had to take college math. So, you know, you can imagine how difficult that was for me. So through that time is when I came across this app. And I remember, and I did another search just now before I started filming, there are tons of videos on YouTube that show like the best math app for Android and this and that. And a lot of those videos show photo math. And you can see that down here, right here. They show photo math as the best app for math, which I want to tell you on a real level, like me as a real human, not just someone that was paid to leave a review or whatever the case. Not sponsored, not associated with Mathway, not paid, not monetized. This is just me letting y'all know that this is what worked for me. Mathway was the one. Photomath just did not work the right way for me. I don't know if it was my camera, even though I have a Samsung Galaxy Note. Like, it's not like I have a crappy phone or something like that. But the Photomath just did not cut it for me. But Mathway was a lifesaver. This app is how I passed my college math class. For sure. No doubt. No doubt about it. I would have failed miserably if I would not have had this app to use. But if you look at Photomath, it shows 50 million plus downloads compared to the 5 million plus downloads. So I'm guessing that a lot of people don't know about this app. Am I talking fast enough? I'm trying not to make it take forever. So let me open it up and show you how we do it. So I already messed with it a little bit since reinstalling it. I don't use it anymore because I don't need to take a math class. But for those of you who may just be stuck on one math problem that, you know, on your homework or in your college class, in your high school class, and you cannot figure it out, this is the way to do it. There is a VIP or like a premium version of it where you can pay. I'm not exactly sure how much it costs, probably $20 or something. I'm just guessing, I don't know. But if you just need help on one problem, you can get the free steps to show the work on how it was done, and it will explain it to you. So if you're just struggling on one type of problem, maybe once a day or maybe just the first time you use it, I'm not sure, you can get free steps. However, every problem after that, or however often it refreshes, daily, weekly, whatever, it gives you a free explanation, it will still give you the answer. Okay, so I just looked up like an example of college level math, and you can see right there, solve for X. This is the one we're working on. So I just typed in exactly how it looks on the paper. This is what it looks like when you open it, but you can also go to the regular keyboard. There are so many different options here. There's pi, there's whole number plus decimal, there's, you know, the number to the second power or squared or whatever the case, you know, with the little number at the top right. There are fractions, there is X, Y, Z, and as you can see, I needed to use A and B. So when you need to use a fraction, you click that fraction button there, type in if it's 4 over X or 5 over X, that's how you type that in, and then you can just erase it. So once you get your problem typed in, you hit send or whatever, and then it will ask you what you are trying to do. And this is where I was like, holy crap, this is like, this app is from heaven, is what I felt. It has so many options of what you're trying to do. There was very, very little that this app could not do for me taking my college math class. Very little that it did not help with. But since for this example we are looking to find X, we need to click solve for X. So, and then it, you know, we sent our problem, we clicked what we are trying to do, and then this is the answer here. Solve the rational equation by combining expressions and isolating the variable X. X equals BA over A minus B. One over A minus 1 over X equals 1 over B. Solve for X. X equals BA C. So your answer would be C. I'm not sure why it switched the letters up like that, but I guarantee that's the correct answer. What was it? Problem 2. And we're thinking our answer is C. And the answer to problem 2 is C. So as non-specific as it is, it's very specific, if that makes sense. If you really just cannot figure it out, this is the app you're going to want to use. This app alone will help tremendously. I can't, there's just no other, it will help. Okay, if you're struggling with math, Mathway is the way to go. It has all these different options of what type of math you're doing. Excuse me. And then there is a graph area. I'm not sure how you pop that. Okay, so you click on graphing and then snap a picture of your problem or type it in, then submit. This was the only thing that I really had trouble with. But someone that isn't as horrible with math and numbers and can kind of comprehend how to do this, you will probably have a lot better luck than me. I seriously struggle with it, and I'm telling you, I would have failed that class if it was not for this app. So thank you so much, Mathway, and I hope this video will help you guys. And if you have any questions, either ask me or I'm sure if you email the support for this app that they will, do their best to help you answer any questions or like if you don't understand it. Okay, so the pro version is only $10. So there's the answer for that. So if you need the pro version, I think it's worth it. Yeah, I think it's worth it to pay the $10 to get the pro version. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you. I hope you're able to pass your math class now. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.